If you're using AWeber and wondering whether all Gmail emails are getting undelivered, you're not alone. A lot of people are running into email deliverability issues, especially when sending to Gmail users. But is AWeber actually the problem, or is something else going on? Stick around because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what's happening and if there's a better way to ensure your emails actually land in inboxes. So first, let's address the Gmail issue. AWeber, like all email marketing platforms, has to deal with Gmail's increasingly strict filtering. Google has gotten more aggressive with spam detection, and if your emails aren't properly authenticated with DKIM and SPF records, there's a higher chance they'll end up in spam or not get delivered at all. The issue isn't necessarily AWeber itself, but how its system interacts with Gmail's filtering. Next thing, are AWeber's deliverability rates lower than other platforms? Compared to competitors like ConvertKit, MailerLite, or ActiveCampaign, AWeber's deliverability is decent but not the best. It does follow best practices, but some users report more emails landing in promotions or spam compared to other providers. Part of the issue is that AWeber's IP reputation isn't as strong as some of its competitors that focus heavily on high-quality sender scores. Another factor, Gmail, is cracking down on bulk emails. If you're sending from a free email like at gmail.com instead of a custom domain, that's already a red flag. But even if you're using a professional domain, AWeber's shared IPs mean your deliverability is affected by other users. If someone else on AWeber is sending bad emails, it could hurt everyone's chances of landing in Gmail inboxes. Now, is there a way to fix this? You can improve your chances by setting up custom domain authentication, warming up your email list, and making sure your emails aren't too promotional. But if you're still struggling, it might not be your fault. It could be AWeber itself. Here's the bottom line. AWeber is a solid platform, but if Gmail deliverability is a priority, there are better alternatives. After testing multiple platforms myself, I found that recommended software consistently had better inbox placement, especially for Gmail users. If you want to give it a shot, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.